Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to discuss how to grow impatiens and care for them. Let's get started. Introduction to impatiens. Impatiens are popular flowering plants in the Balsaminaceae family. They are prized for their colorful blooms and shade tolerance, making them a popular choice for shady garden beds and container gardens. Impatiens come in various colors and sizes, from pink to red, orange and yellow, and from miniature to tall. When and where to plant it. The best time to plant impatiens is in the spring after the last frost has passed. Impatiens are shade-loving plants and prefer a location that gets filtered sunlight or shade for most of the day. It's essential to ensure the soil is well-draining and moist, but not waterlogged. A location with filtered sunlight or shade and well-draining soil is ideal for planting impatiens. When planting impatiens, choose a location that provides filtered sunlight or shade for most of the day. If planting in a container, use a high-quality potting mix and ensure the container has drainage holes. Avoid planting impatiens in direct sunlight, as they're not well suited to withstand intense sun exposure and could wilt and become scorched. Find a shady area or place them in a container with proper drainage and care, and you'll be well on your way to growing beautiful and healthy impatiens plants. How to plant impatiens. When planting impatiens, choose a location with filtered sunlight or shade and well-draining soil. Prepare the soil by removing weeds and amending it with compost or other organic matter. If planting in a container, use a high-quality potting mix. Dig a hole for the root ball and place the impatiens in the hole. Backfill the soil and water deeply. Finish by mulching the soil with organic material to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. How to care for it. Favorable growth conditions. Caring for impatiens involves providing the right growing conditions, including adequate moisture, nutrition, and light. Impatiens prefer moist soil, but it is essential to avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. They also benefit from regular feedings of a balanced fertilizer, especially during the growing season. Additionally, impatiens need to be protected from direct sunlight, as they will wilt and become scorched if exposed to too much direct sun. Regular pruning is also essential to maintain a healthy growing habit and encourage the production of more blooms. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and take appropriate action to control them if necessary. Thanks for watching.